you are well at your end. So let's begin with your first chapter, that is computer storage and memory devices. This is your first lecture of the computer with the first chapter. So let's start. Computer storage and memory devices. First of all, storage. Storage means where we can store something, right? And memory devices, through which devices we can store data. So this is the main meaning of our chapter. So let's continue with the further. The first thing is data. What is data? Basically, data is a raw material. I just mean to say data means raw material. Whatever we firstly enter in the computer, that is known as a data. It may be a numbers, symbols, characters, anything. Suppose we entered Ram. This is a character, right? Ram is good boy. Single it doesn't have any meaning, but if we collect all the sentence, it comes as Ram is good boy. So now it has some meaning that Ram is a good boy. It means it is called the information. So data is a raw material. When it processed by the computer, right, then it is converted into a meaningful information. So this is the difference between data and information. Now let's move further. So there are some storage units. As we all know, to measure something, we have to measure any distance, anything, we have some units like kilometer. To measure distance, we need kilometers, we need inches, feet, etc. Same as in the computer, we had some memory units, right? To for the storage units, the first one, the basic one is known as the bits. It is always denoted by a letter B. Bit is a memory unit in the computer, right? And it is always denoted by B. And the important thing is that our computer knows only two numbers, that is 0 and 1. And these both are called binary numbers. Again I am telling you, for in the computer there is one storage unit that is known as a bit. So it is always denoted by B, and our computer know only two numbers, that is 0 and 1. Now let's move to the important task, that is memory devices. So basically a computer has two types of memory, primary memory and the next one is secondary memory. So primary memory is known as a main memory of the computer, which has computer itself, and the secondary memory, these are the some devices that we are used to store some data like floppy, DVD, hard disk, pen drive. These are the secondary memory storage devices, and the computer which has its own memory, that is called the primary memory. The next chapter we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.